So good day everyone, mabuhay. And we are the Group 3. And we will be presenting a role play about a telephone survey conducted after a hotel stay at Hotel de Luna. In this scenario, our team represent a hotel conducting follow-up calls to guests to gather feedback about their experience. The purpose of this survey is to evaluate the quality of service and identify areas of improvement.
I'd like to check in.
Okay, that's alright, ma'am. Let me check available rooms for you. Would you like to proceed? Yes. Here is your card, and here is your bill. Please let us know. Thank you for accompanying me. As a welcome, we would like to offer you complimentary.
Oh, really? Thank you.
Hello, please prepare room table 501. Thank you.
Okay, noted. Good afternoon, ma'am. Here is your complimentary food. We hope you enjoy it. You're always welcome, ma'am. Enjoy.
Good day, mabuhay. This is Chloe Gonzalez from Hotel de Luna. May I speak with Miss Shane Macau?
Yes, this is Matko speaking.
We're conducting a short follow-up survey about your recent stay. It will only take a few minutes. It's now good time.
Yes, that's fine.
Okay, thank you. First, how would you rate the behavior of our staff?
They were very polite and helpful, especially at the front desk.
That's great to hear. How about your room quality?
The room was clean and comfortable, but the air conditioner was noisy at night.
Thank you for that feedback. Lastly, how satisfied are you overall?
I give it an 8 out of 10.
We appreciate your feedback. We hope to serve you again. Good day and mabuhay.